what up? Chef Rell, private chef, Kyle Pitts, a couple of the other Falcons players, and plus I move all the way around Georgia cooking for people. That's me, Chef Rell, IGCHEFYORELL. We want to find like a groove inside the oyster, and once we do, you just want to work it in there. The oyster is kind of like popping open for us, and then we can just continue scrape the top so that the meat separates. And then what you want to also do is release the muscle from the bottom shell. So all of this with the nice oyster juice and sauce, this is what you'll eat. All right, so we got melted butter. We got a whole lemon squeezed in here. We got salt, pepper, garlic, slapping mama. We got Old Bay. We got the whole kitchen sink in here. And we got some chopped up spinach. And we got the oysters in the oven.
Atlantic well feet.
Okay. Cheers.
Come on, y'all. Get into it.
You had to tag me.
For real.
I like a boon dancer.
I say great white.
Which one? This is some of the best hot sauce. You know, like how they be having small
Crystal's
I
gourmet.
mix Worcestershire and Crystal's hot sauce.
Crystal's is the best. I learned that from my grandfather.
You want great white or moon dancer?
I don't really know how she's reading that hearing right here, but
Moon dancer.
That's CE. That tastes like right. I don't know about great white no more. It was CE.
it was CE, y'all.
It was ocean. It had like that heavy ocean taste.
Like we dug our hand down in the sand to pull that out.
Put your hand like right up under here, and then hold on to the oyster a little bit with it.
With like going down?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you want to stick the knife in there and twist as you go in. You can.
Yeah.
What you can do is you can actually drop the towel and then go ahead and open it with your other hand, and then scrape the top just to release the muscle if you need to.
I don't want that when you letting all the juice out, all the liquor.
And then go ahead and just pop the top off if you can. Yep, and set it off to the
All
take that.
right.
Then you want to take the shucker and also release it from the bottom. So just run the knife right along the edge of the bottom shell. Watch your finger. Watch your finger. And then then you released it. Break the top so it's released from the top. Pop the top and then go under it and then scrape it. Just so it releases from the bottom.
Okay.
All summer.
All right. Nice and briny. Tastes like it just came out the ocean. Well, again, thank you for having me. It was wonderful. You know, I love you to the moon and back. And obviously, the food was delicious, Chef. Thank you again.
Thank you for letting me use your kitchen to make a small mess, but it was a delicious mess.
See y'all next week.